Welcome to MedGalaxy. Today, we embark on a journey through time, exploring the captivating history of pharmacognosy. In ancient times, our ancestors turned to nature's pharmacy, using plants for their healing properties. From the Ebers Papyrus in Egypt to the Pen Chao in China, ancient civilizations meticulously documented the power of natural remedies. Islamic scholars and European monasteries played pivotal roles in nurturing the knowledge of medicinal plants during the Middle Ages and Renaissance. The dawn of modern pharmacognosy saw scientists isolating active compounds from plants, laying the foundation for groundbreaking discoveries. In 1811, Johann Adam Schmidt introduced the term pharmacognosy, marking a significant milestone in the study of natural medicines. The 20th century heralded a new era with the emergence of advanced technologies like chromatography and spectroscopy, revolutionizing drug discovery. From penicillin to taxol and artemisinin, nature's reservoirs have yielded life-saving drugs, shaping modern pharmacognosy. Today, pharmacognosy seamlessly integrates with molecular biology, synthetic chemistry, and computational methods, pushing the boundaries of drug discovery. Embracing biodiversity and marine exploration, modern pharmacognosy delves into the uncharted realms of natural healing. Pharmacognosy serves as a bridge between ancient wisdom and cutting-edge science, showcasing nature's profound ability to heal and inspire. As we reflect on the journey of pharmacognosy, it reminds us of the symbiotic relationship between humanity and the healing forces of the natural world. Join us in celebrating the legacy of pharmacognosy, a testament to the enduring bond between mankind and the bountiful gifts of nature. From ancient herbal remedies to cutting-edge laboratories, pharmacognosy stands as a beacon of hope and discovery in the realm of medicine. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the annals of pharmacognosy, a testament to the wonders of nature's medicine cabinet. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Stay tuned for more captivating explorations with MedGalaxy.